Okay guys, I'm back at it. I've got a 3-day weekend, hoping to get some more progress done on this 1974 Porsche 914. Got a late start on Friday in the afternoon. Let me show you what I've done so far. So I got these remnants of the pan stripped off the cross members. Passenger side was the one I just did. And, you know, a lot of that will treat up okay. The driver's side is a little bit better shape. I got a few perforations. You know, I always put seam sealer over this kind of work anyway. So I think what I'm going to do, instead of replacing both these cross members, just on the passenger side, on this to the front of the car, I'm just going to put in a strip of metal down here to replace this edge. It's super easy to do. Just cut a long piece of sheet metal and fold it. And on the other side, it'll probably be okay. I'll be able to get some weld in there. There's some perforations. I might do a segment here and a segment here. But like I said, the driver's side, all in all, it's pretty darn good. A couple little perforations there. One there. I don't know. It's going to be a while before I start doing this, so I'll have time to make up my mind. I'll go ahead and treat this stuff and put primer on it. I just don't like leaving it exposed. And then we'll pick this back up tomorrow. Okay, so that's with the weld through primer over the treated metal. Just a little coat. Stabilize it. Yeah, still thinking it's going to be at the very least strips of metal along the bottom. But I got a clutch kit for the 75, so I'm going to step back from the 74 for a little while. So if you guys be looking for that clutch job, and I'll put a link at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.